What if I told you that hard work alone will never make you rich? Think about it. Construction workers, farmers, factory workers, they work harder than most millionaires. So why aren't they the richest people on earth? Today, we're going to uncover the real reason why rich people keep getting richer, and it's probably not what you've been told. For years, we've all heard the same advice. Work hard, and you'll become successful. Now, don't get me wrong, hard work is important. It builds discipline, it builds skills, it builds character. But here's the problem. Hard work has an income ceiling. There are only 24 hours in a day. Even if you worked 16 hours every day, eventually you'd hit a limit because your income depends on your time, and time is limited. Now, here's the biggest difference. Most people sell their time. Rich people own assets. So, what is an asset? An asset is something that makes money even while you're sleeping. It could be a business, stocks, real estate, a YouTube channel, or even a digital product. Let's imagine two people. Person A works 10 hours every day. They earn $200. Tomorrow, they have to work another 10 hours to earn another $200. Now meet Person B. Person B creates an online course. Just once. Thousands of people buy it. Even while Person B is sleeping, sales continue. That's called leverage, and leverage changes everything. Let's break income into 4 levels. Level 1, time. You work, you get paid, you stop working, the income stops. Level 2, skills. You learn valuable skills like programming, marketing, sales, or design. Better skills usually mean higher income, but you're still trading time. Level 3, ownership. Now you own something, a business, a website, a YouTube channel. Technology, employees, and customers all start working for you. Your income is no longer limited by your own hours. Level 4, investments. This is where real wealth begins. Your money starts making more money through stocks, index funds, real estate, or businesses. This is why wealthy people often become richer every year, not because they work harder, but because their assets keep growing. Now, here's the good news. You don't need millions to start building wealth. Start with 4 simple steps. First, learn a valuable skill. Second, spend less than you earn. Third, invest consistently. Even small amounts can grow over time. And fourth, build something you own, a YouTube channel, a digital product, a website, or a small business. Don't focus only on today's paycheck. Focus on creating income that continues tomorrow. Remember this, hard work builds your foundation, but ownership builds your future. The goal isn't to work forever. The goal is to build systems that work for you. Because real wealth isn't about earning more money. It's about creating assets that continue earning long after you've stopped working. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to Profit Explainer, and join us every week as we break down money, business, investing, and wealth into simple ideas that anyone can understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.